Let's express 5 days as a fraction of 5 weeks. From the calendar, 1 week equals 7 days. Then 5 weeks will be equal to 5 weeks times 7 days all over 1 week. Simplifying, 1 week divided by 1 week will give us 1, and 5 weeks divided by 1 week will give us 5. 5 times 7 days will be equal to 35 days. Now let's express 5 days as a fraction of 35 days. To express 5 days as a fraction of 35 days means 5 days divided by 35 days. Simplifying, 35 days divided by 5 days will give us 7, and 5 days divided by 5 days will give us 1. This equals 1 over 7. Therefore, 1 over 7 is 5 days expressed as a fraction of 5 weeks.